I am obsessed with this book, with human design in general, and I genuinely cannot go one more day without telling you about it because it is something that has radically changed my life and has been happening behind the scenes of this YouTube channel since May 2020, and I'm finally ready to voice it to the world and share it with you. What's up, y'all? I'm Amanda Horvath, and I am on a mission to make video accessible to the masses. I believe that you have a message that is worth sharing, and I want to help you get it out there. I genuinely believe that video is a spiritual teacher, that if I can just eliminate the obstacles for you to be exactly where I'm sitting right now in front of the camera, your life will entirely change, and so will those around you. So if you're looking to become your best self and align with your highest purpose, then be sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified every time I release a new video. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so freaking excited to share human design with you because I got into it. I went deep down the rabbit hole back in May 2020 when I discovered it. Someone just hit me up. They were like, hey, do you know what your human design type is? I'm like, what's that? And I've always been a personality junkie. Enneagram was completely game changer for me. I'm an Enneagram 3, probably wing 2, possibly wing 4. I kind of go back between the two, and there's the Myers-Briggs, there's all these different personality tests. And what I've found throughout all of these different personality tests is it gives us words for things that we cannot describe on our own. Well, human design is that tool, but it goes way, way deeper. The deeper that you get down this rabbit hole, it ends up being essentially a software program for how we are all designed. The intricacies of this thing is absolutely wild. So what the heck is it, Amanda? I know, let me tell you. So essentially, what it is that we each have auras. Every one of us has an aura. Think about when you walk into a bar, you're going to feel a certain kind of vibe, right? Here in Austin, we talk about vibes a lot. And if you go into a library, you feel something a little bit different. And no matter who you're around, like our moms always would tell us, be careful with who you hang out with because you're going to become the people that you're around. Well, it's kind of true because we each have an aura that when interacting with other people is going to impact one another. So if you picture yourself with your arms straight out alongside you, then double that length and your aura is about that size. So picture kind of a bubble around you. And this is science, this is a proven thing that we have frequencies, that we have auras around us. So what human design does is it breaks down the population into 4 different auric types. So there are projectors, there are manifestors, there are generators, and there are manifesting generators, which is actually the same type as generators. And then the 4th type is a reflector. So these are the 4 main types within human design. Now, in order to find out your type, you can go to mybodygraph.com. You're going to need your birth time, your birth location, as well as your birthday in order to find this information out. Now, when you first get your chart, you're going to look at it and think, what the heck is that? That makes no sense to me. I don't know what I'm looking at. It's just gonna look like shapes and colors and all these things. That's totally normal. The only thing that I want you to know at this moment in time is your type. So generator, manifesting generator, reflector, manifestor, projector. Which one are you? Go ahead and drop a comment below letting me know. And I put together a resource. It is a quick start guide to human design. It is a 3-part video series that is bingeable. I have partnered with my personal human design coach and analyst, Barbara Ditlow. She is a total G. In fact, she's got the Defined G Center, a little nerdy joke for those human design people that actually get it. And we have partnered together to create this video series to give you an overview and give you a little bit of steps for how to start diving into it yourself. So follow the link in the description below to check that out. This is just the beginning of the conversation with human design. So as I said, I'm definitely going to be continuing it on this channel, and I would love for you to know what you are and start kind of following along with this as I continue talking about it. So if this video was helpful, be sure to click like, drop a comment below letting me know, and click on over and start watching your quick start guide to human design. I'll see you over there.